In the month of June, annually, we recognize the National Safety Council's National Safety Month. The number one cause for unintentional injuries in the United States is falls. That's according to the National Safety Council. Slips, trips, and falls take place all the time, and they take place in the home environment and the work environment. It's not necessarily just confined to one particular time frame. We focus on it across the year. Think about and be aware of your normal work environment. When you walk into a dark room, turn on the light. When you're walking down a pathway, make sure that it's kept clear. Keep it clear. Even things as small as a pin in a pathway can become a slip, a trip, or a fall. If you're carrying heavy packages, you have to test the weight of it and make sure that you're capable of carrying it. If you're not, ask for help. If you have multiple packages, make sure that you're not obliterating your sight. If you're going up and down a stairwell, use the handrail. If you enter a building after inclement weather such as rain, you need to be cognizant of the fact that it's going to be slippery. And the one thing that a lot of folks aren't aware of is, if you do have a fall, how do you fall? What's the appropriate way to fall to minimize the potential for injury? And one of the things that you should do is protect yourself, protect your head. Turn your head away from the fall, cover yourself with your arm, and try and make sure that you fall to the side, letting the shoulder down to the hip, to the leg, take the greater stress of the fall itself, like a parachute fall. Try not to go forward and use your hands, wrists, or your elbows to break your fall. 9 times out of 10, you'll break your elbows, hands, or wrists. We just need to make sure that we're taking care of ourselves and taking care of each other. A lot of these incidents or accidents are preventable. And what we want more than most is for everybody to have a safe work environment, a hazard-free work environment, and that everybody goes home the same way that they came into work, and that they come back the next day.